Hey, Michael. How are you? Why don't you have a seat? We have a lot to talk about.
Yeah, a little stressed out, Regina.
A little?
I've been on this probation for 5 years.
Correct. This month, right?
Yeah. In 2012, I was arrested for conspiracy to traffic cocaine. I was sentenced to 7 years probation. It's been 5 years. I still have 2 years left on my probation. But now, being in therapy, I'm starting to understand how much this has been holding me back. The past, I can't change. I'm trying to make a way to the future. Legit. I've been, doing everything they told me to do, like step by step. So.
Within the last 5 years, you have straightened up. You have another child, your life is progressing, you grew up. We're talking almost 8 years now.
I like that I grew up.
You grew up. It's not as if you are into this lifestyle of what you were raised with.
I'm done, Regina. I'm done with all the negativity in my life, man. I just want to raise these kids and make this legal money. Is that too much to ask for?
I understand what you're saying, Michael. I understand.
Can you get me off early termination?
I don't know. This was not an easy case. In 2011, you royally up. Conspiracy to traffic cocaine. And we're not talking like a little baggie. We're talking a couple kilos. $21,000 worth of coke.
Allegedly.
Michael, you took a plea to it. Let's face it.
Yeah.
So whether you did it or didn't, right now, in the eyes of the law, you're guilty of coordinating this. And who here in this world is not going to believe that Griselda Blanco's son wasn't coordinating a drug deal? Come on, Michael. You got a sweetheart of a deal by just getting probation. So you should have been in prison for 10 years. You're out. You're able to keep your family together. You have your daughter.
I've been good for 5 years.
I understand, but you need to thank your lucky stars you're not in prison. And look at who you are. It doesn't help either. Because of who your mom is, it you up.
No, I know.
Okay. I was in the state attorney's office when your mom was here in Miami being prosecuted. Okay? I don't think your mom only has 200 to 300 bodies under her belt. I think there's a lot more to it. We're talking like in the thousands.
Not only about my mother, Regina, a lot of other people help too.
I know, but it's all related to money. Yeah. And your mom was the queen of it.
Early termination would mean to me that I would be able to be Michael, that I would be able to execute business without having somebody always looking over me. Do I have to be judged for the rest of my life for what my mother did? I mean, I didn't kill 200 people.
You're not just a regular person on felony drug probation. You're not. You're Michael Corleone Blanco. Do you think a judge wants his name in the front page of the newspaper because he authorized Griselda Blanco's son off probation and he goes and he up again?
I'm not up.
Don't come crying to me.
Regina, I've changed my life. I can't be stuck for the next 2 years.
Let me make some phone calls. Let me touch base up at the state attorney's office. Somebody definitely has to take up the file.
Please make this happen, Regina. Do your best. I trust you.
But listen, Michael, I'm not gonna promise you anything. It is a long shot.